Hi, I'm Debbie, and you are watching To Thine Own Style Be True, delivering quick beauty tips and easy style for busy moms. If you are new to makeup and are interested in learning how to use highlighter, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you how to use it and which areas of your face to target to get that beautiful, luminous effect. So, are you guys ready? Are you ready to get your glow on? Let's get started now. Highlighter is the best way to get that summer glow all year round. The results are instant and it's so easy to use. So whether or not you want a barely there sun-kissed look or true ultimate Hollywood glam, using a highlighter is definitely the way to go. It can transform your makeup look instantly, and the secret is knowing where exactly to put it on, and I'm going to show you right now. You will want to apply highlighter at the highest points of your face. This will create the illusion of brightness and height. In today's video, I will be using my favorite highlighter from BECCA Cosmetics. This is what the compact looks like. I think it's quite chic, and the color is just fabulous. It's opal right here, and I love this color because it has a tone that is complementary to all skin color. To apply my highlighter, I will be using a fan brush. This is mine here. I got it at TJ Maxx. And I love a fan brush because of the bristles here. So when you apply highlighter, it distributes gently and evenly on your face. So if you don't have a fan brush, I definitely recommend you get one. And if you don't have one and you want to get started on using a highlighter now, you can use a beauty blender or you can use your middle or index finger. So let's do this. Okay, now that I've sufficiently got some product on my fan brush, and you want to start, light-handed. You don't want to go in heavy-handed because you can always add more. So I like to hit the top of my cheekbone right here, and this helps to accentuate the height of your cheekbone. I'm going to grab both sides and then just gently sweep it up towards your hairline. So the next place I like to grab is right below my brows, right here. And this is to highlight your brow bone, and then just gently put a little bit right on the top to frame your brow. Right there, my curly hair is in the way. Next, you want to hit the bridge of your nose. And so take the fan brush and then just grace it right on top of the bridge of your nose and get the little tip. I also like to take the highlighter and tap the bottom of my chin and right above my forehead, right between my eyebrows. And then the last place, and my most favorite place, is the cupid bone to draw attention to my lips. So just take it right here. Just apply it right above your lips. Okay. Another place to apply highlighter is in the inner corner of your eyes, and I love to do this. It just wakes up your eyes and gives you like this dewy effect, and all you have to do, I like to use my index finger, gently tap the compact, and then just go right into the inner corner of your eye. Here we go. I think the results are so beautiful, and it's a lot of fun, and it just gives you like a really youthful look. And then also you can grab your finger again and then place it in the middle of your eyelid, right on top of your eyeshadow. And that extra glow and radiance there will give that pop of light to your eyeshadow. Ladies, you are now ready to apply highlighter on your own. I definitely think highlighter is a must. It creates the most beautiful, dewy, youthful look, and it's so fun and easy to use. If you found this video helpful, please press the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to Thine Own Style Be True. Thank you so much for watching, and I am excited to see you next week. Bye!